Good morning, welcome back to the channel. Today we're in Latacunga because we're doing the Quilotoa loop and we're just getting breakfast before we go. We've come to a place called Cactus Brunch and for $4.50 you get avocado and mushroom on toast, bowl of fruit and granola, coffee and juice, which is like a menu del día but for breakfast. It's unreal. I'm gonna eat this and then we're gonna head over to the lake. We've arrived at the lake.
What did he say?
Which is here and it looks amazing. Look how big it is. This used to be an active volcano until it collapsed when it last erupted. And we're gonna either go down to the lake or we're gonna try and walk around the whole cliff edge, which takes about 5 hours. We've decided we're gonna walk down to the lake. We might walk around a bit of the outside, but it does take a while and it'll take a while to get down and back up from the lake. So we're just walking down this spirally path. It's probably slippier than the mountain. Yeah, it's quite slippy. So yeah, there we go. Abby just nearly fell. Would have been good if she did. Would have been good content. But
another great view.
Yeah, just great views from everywhere. So we're gonna continue to hike down here. We'll see what else we can find. We made it to the bottom right here. The water doesn't look as nice here as it does up there, but it was there's a steep hike. Does the knees in a bit. There's a rock climber there. We're just exploring around the lake. And we got a little friend. He's followed us. I think it's probably because I've got bread and he wants food. But I don't care. I'm just going to say because he likes us, but probably not. There we go. He's a happy little doggo now that he's got some bread. So I'm going to leave him there. He might follow us some more. But I'm going to carry on going. We found a horse and a donkey whilst we've been just walking around the lake, which is kind of cool. Although it's coming towards us, I don't want to get kicked by a donkey.
Yeah.
I'm just gonna go to the side.
Oh my gosh. Uh-oh. I'm scared.
Okay. Chill out.
Come on.
I'm just gonna stay in front of her. So if I'm in front of her, it can't kick me. Okay.
Come on this thing.
There we go. Keep going.
Oh my goodness. Oh.
Okay.
Oh my gosh. Okay.
Oh, the dog's here with us. Like it's not gonna hurt us, I don't think. I think he just wants attention. But
fudge.
we've been forced onto this rock, but I don't think it's gonna do anything.
Okay, just look down and walk.
He's okay.
Yeah. Until he's not.
Yeah. But I have the high ground.
It's over, Anakin! I have the high ground!
You're a good boy or good girl. You just wanted attention. You just wanted attention until you bite me.
Yeah.
I'm going now. Oh, lo siento. I spooked him. What's it? It's a Spanish donkey. She's laughing because I'm speaking Spanish to a donkey, but we're in Ecuador. It's a Spanish donkey. It's like that dog probably listens to Spanish. Is caballo donkey or horse?
Horse.
What's donkey?
No sense.
Actually, doesn't burrito mean donkey?
Oh. Burro. It's burro.
It's burro, yeah, but burrito means little donkey.
Yeah.
And that's why burritos are called burritos, because they carry a lot of food and donkeys carry a lot of stuff. I'm pretty sure. Yeah.
Wow. My mind's blown.
That was such a good experience getting to stroke that donkey. It was a little bit scary at first when it started charging, but it just wanted attention. And our dog's still following us, who I've named Otto because he's kind of gold. Like goldy white, but Otto is better. So he'll probably follow me until the bread runs out and then go find someone else. I'm gonna start heading back up the mountain now because I've lost Abby. I don't know where she is. I was droning for like 10-15 minutes and she kept exploring, and I've been looking for her for like half an hour, just like walking along the edge here, looking down to see if she'd gone around the lake. But I have no idea where she is, and obviously signal's not great out here, so I stopped for a little bit with the dog, had some bread, shared it with the dog, obviously. That's why he's still here. And then now I'm gonna head back up. Hopefully she's up there. If she's not, then I have no idea what I'll do. The last bus isn't for like 3 hours. I've been hiking up this hill for like 40 minutes at least, I think. The dog's still with me, and I can finally see the top. I can see the fences, but I feel like this is tougher than the mountain, because the mountain was like, it was like 5-hour round hikes. It was like 2.5 hours of climbing, whereas this I think it's a bit steeper. We've been doing zigzags all the way up and down, and then I'm having to talk to the camera, which is difficult when you're out of breath climbing. But we're almost there. It's very sunny. I'm sweating. You can probably see my arms. Very wet. Tomorrow it's going to be a chilled day. I'll tell you about that later. But we're having a few days off from hiking, I think. I'm already sick of hiking. We're back to the top. Thank God. We're back to the top. It's over. I lost the dog as well about 30 seconds after the last clip. 2 or 3 dogs ran down the hill and he followed them. But we're back up. I'm gonna go chill, looking at the view and try and find Abby. There she is, speaking to someone. We're walking around the top of it now, which is what we were originally going to do. It takes about 4 hours to walk all the way around, but because we went down there we don't have time to do that, because the last bus home is 5 PM and it's now 10 to 3, so you have 2 hours. So I think we'll probably walk this way for maybe 45 minutes or half an hour, and then we'll start heading back. But just look at that view. It is unreal stuff, like incredible. No wonder Quilotoa Lake is one of the most popular lakes in all of Ecuador, one of the most popular tourist attractions in all of Ecuador, because it's just stunning. We found like a house getting built on the side of the mountain. I'm gonna go explore to see if it's got stairs to go and get a better view. I feel like it should have stairs because it's got a top bit built, but
Quality house.
yeah, imagine like living up here. It looks like it's been abandoned. There's rubble everywhere. Goats, have you looked left? Abby, have you looked left? We're in like someone's farmland here. We're also on someone's property. This is farmland, but you know, we kind of just walked through to see the pigs and the other animals. Hopefully the farmers here don't have guns, and if they do, hopefully they're friendly farmers. It's alright.
Lo siento, estamos mirando.
Sí.
Oh,
Si quiere puede tomar foto también.
oh,
Ah, sí, sí, sí.
gracias.
¿Puedo tomar foto?
Sí,
Ah.
video.
Oh, chickens. Oh,
Maíz.
look at that maíz.
We're literally being given a tour of this farm by like an 8-year-old here. We just met 2 strangers on our land and just decided to show them around. Yeah. Is that Otto?
Yeah, I think it is.
Otto found us, I'm not sure how, because we're literally like oh, I'm getting away from behind there. It's literally like a 30-minute walk away from where I left him, if not a bit longer. Oh, another pedal. It's the next day. We're in Banos, as you can tell. I'm a little bit out of breath. We're climbing a mountain. We're going to La Casa del Obol, which is like a swing in the sky. You can see one there. It's not that one, it's a different one. We've got like a 2-hour hike. I'm with David, who I actually met yesterday at the lake, and we just bumped into him at the same hostel, and then Abby, obviously. So we're just struggling to get up now. We've got loads of nice views. So
I didn't struggle at all. For the record. For YouTube.
she didn't struggle at all.
No.
Yeah.
Light work.
I'll tell you one thing, I might not do Chimborazo. I've only been in this country for just under a week and I'm already sick of hiking. It's like you hike everywhere. It's like the only thing to do in Ecuador is just hike this waterfall, hike this lake, hike this mountain. Oh, I can't wait for a nice thermal spa tonight. Hola, ¿cómo estás? Gracias. I've made it to Casa del Arbol. Finally, there's a few viewing points and a couple of swings and a nice little tower there. I can just chill for a little bit, get some pictures whilst I wait for them to turn up. Hopefully they'll only take about 25 minutes before the bus goes. It's actually really busy, even though it closes in an hour and the last bus is in 25 minutes. It is really busy. So by the time I actually get it going here, the others might have caught up. But I'm gonna go climb up here because there's no way I'm gonna get on the swing anytime soon. I'm at the top of the treehouse from which the place gets its name, Casa del Arbol. Well, La Casa del Arbol. And there's not much of a view here, to be honest with you. It's just valleys, but over there there's a mountain with snow on the top. I'm not sure how well you can see it from here. I'll show you when we get down.
1, 2, 3.
Yeah.
Yeah.
1, 2, 3. Yeah.
Woo!
Come for food after that long hike, and this is like the biggest mountain of chips I've ever had. Like, it's so many fries. I don't think I'm gonna eat them all. After this, we're gonna go to the spa if we have time, which would be really nice. We're now at the spa and we have to wear these stupid caps. David's got a cap on. But yeah, we look, how stupid do we look? We have to wear these caps. Like, not everyone's wearing them, but we were told that we have to. Therefore, like, because we're gringos. That's the end of the video. We're just gonna chill here in the pool, have a view of the skyline, and relax after a hard day of hiking.
Like, subscribe.
And remember, keep exploring.
Oh, wait, I want to do a British accent. Do it again.
Okay.
And remember, keep exploring.
This is just gonna go on the outtake, like at the end. I just like throw
My
on it.
future employer won't see
Yeah.
this.